It's a pound and a pie electric, and that'll wake me early in the morning.
The stuff we play like is well, it's more fucked up basically, you know what I mean? Because you're more fucked up if you live in London than if you live in. You're not more fucked up than if you live in Belfast or somewhere like that, obviously, but you're more fucked up than if you live in a nice little town in Tipperary or somewhere like.
I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Clouds are drifting across the moon. Cats are prowling on their beat. Springs a girl from the streets at night. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Siren from the docks. Saw a train set the night on fire. I smelled the spring on the smoky wind. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I'm gonna make me a picture box, shining steel, tempered in the fire. I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. I met my love by the gasworks wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town. I'll say adieu to your eyes of blue as the water in the bay, and a picture toward a man of war who is up on earth to say.
Elvis Costello had produced my record, Captains and the Kings. So I brought Elvis to see the Pogues, which were obviously the happening band in London at the time. And I remember, I realised in retrospect actually that what happened that night is that Elvis fell in love twice over. Once with the Pogues and then with the Pogues bass player. All of that happened, I think, instantaneously, I realise now. And he went on to produce Rum Sodomy and the Lash.
Is it hard to produce this kind of sound?
No. People got the have a misapprehension that the band can't play. The band can play really well.
Yeah.
sound changed because Costello came in as producer, right? And the way he produces is like really kind of clinical and kind of like, you know, the best way to record us is live, you know, in the studio. Then as few takes as possible on the vocal. But Costello believed in hundreds of takes, making me do the vocal hundreds of times, and then splitting it up from bits and all that to make up a Frankenstein monster of vocal. Yes, a word out here and a word out there, you know. Can you drop in between and there, you know?
This morning on the harbour when I said goodbye to you, I remembered how I swore I'd be back for you sometime. And as the sunset came to meet the evening on the hill, I told you I always love you, I always did, I always will. Bang! But as by the tears your eyes as low as the water in the bay, to picture and toward a man of war who is up and heard to say, I'm a free-born man of the USA, a free-born man of the USA, I'm a free-born man of the USA.
Despite Costello's like Frankenstein production, like, you know, the raw energy comes through, you know what I mean? It's a great album because it's great fucking music. It's a great band, you know what I mean? It's great music, you know what I mean? And it wasn't all written by me, you know what I mean? Only half of it was written by me, yeah. And like, you know, it's a great band at the peak of their nearing their peak, you know what I mean? You know,